I'm busy today, Morong. Thank you so much for everyone. Sis, kailangan mo ng bagong napansin. I have many ball pens downstairs. But here is no ball pen. I think it's there. But it's right. It's still writing, sis. Oh. You must na ano pa yun, napansin pa nimo watching. Thank you, Ambing. Thank you, Ambing. I know, Ambing. I'm here for you, okay? Thank you. All my friend from India, I'm always there for you guys. And yeah, sometimes I have no time to go to your live, but if I have a time, yeah, I can play what I playing, how long or what. Okay? Sis, napansin mo talaga. I am singing. Are you dancing, Sisi? Host, you are ready, Sisi. What sing with one eyes? It's okay, Sis Ares. Sis Ares, you can rest, Sis Ares. 30 minutes I'm going to end. Sis Ares. Ay, dan ako kang Nidja Koknal. I'm going to Ambing. Ambing? Trino. I'm going to Trino. Saan na si ano? Si Trino Koknal, hindi ko pa napuntahan. Trino. Puntahan ko muna lahat para balikan ng uban ba? Mamaya, pag DNN ko, magluluto ako ng dinner. Trino, dito ako. Sisi Trino, nice flower. Bakit ang anong bilis? Trino Koknal. I think it's live ito. Watching ako dito. Sis Trino. Thank you, Sis Marak. Tulog na si Ares. And after, I have one for you, Ambing. Moment, after this is Trino, dikit one. Abi Trino, nang nasa sa bata, dakapong ha ha ha. I understand no only ha ha ha. Dan ako kang ano, Sistrino. Dan ako kang Sistrino. Puntahan ko muna si Ambing and then si Marak Mix TV, okay? Okay, Sisi host. Only watching. Thank you, Wakang. Wakang, paki-like, premiere. O kaninong premiere yan? Sige, i-appeal natin. Sa'yo yan, wrong? Sige, pin natin. Tapos, puntahan ko muna si Ambing.